What are you doing here?
Sorry,
You're such
sir.
a huge force and you're not doing anything. Where is SP, man?
He's inside, sir.
అయ్యో అయ్యో మై సన్ అయ్యో మై డాటర్ మై చైల్డ్
Sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will. One side politicians, one side press people, and also our department people. It's IG. Within hours, all the details of what happened should be on his table, it seems.
Not what happened, sir. A few people managed to do it, sir.
I know, but they were in the dark. But we were in the light. So whatever happened, we should take the responsibility. Look here. Hello? Hello, who's this?
Hello, sir. Sir, there has been a bomb blast in your area, sir. What's your opinion about this? Can you explain that?
Happiness. I can't say about it. I'm feeling about it. I can't disclose it. Some random individuals did some stupidity.
Who is that individual, sir?
It's not me or you, ma'am. The only one who knows about it is them.
Huh? Oh my god.
All these identified bodies, sir.
Then unidentified bodies are still there.
After post-mortem, hand over the bodies to the relatives. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Oh, nice meeting you. Then all the present were supposed to be at the temple function are here. So you guys are here to collect information about the dead people. Am I right? I knew that this was supposed to happen and that was the reason I cancelled the temple function. You people thought I was biased about it. You continued your temple function and what happened right now? The innocent people were supposed to prosper. You changed their fate and you killed them in the function. All the expenses were also saved. Back then when the function was happening, your father just killed 1 or 2 people. And within one shot you managed to kill 12 people. Amazing. You'll definitely excel your father's achievement. Sub-Inspector Ben Johnson. Black Diamond, the pride of Indian police. Do you know about your fortune? In the future, I'll strip your uniform and I'll make sure that you'll roam on the streets. And I'm very sure that you'll beg for daily food. Look, the relief fund given to this MLA. In front of everyone, I'll make sure that I'll give you something since you're begging.
Yay!
Hey, Johnson, what are you doing?
Sir,
Don't.
sir, please,
Listen to me.
sir,
Don't do
sir,
this.
don't.
Leave me, sir.
Johnson,
Sir, don't do
please,
that.
listen to
Sir.
me.
Leave me, man.
Please stop it, sir.
Hey,
Listen
you
to me.
dog! By taking up the lives of the innocent people here to give them a begging bowl is your idea. I won't leave you, idiot.
Hey, the people who voted me and I'll make sure that I'll be victorious. You kicked me in front of everyone, right? He's not a police. He's a hooligan. He's a confirmed criminal. He's a madman.
Yes, man. I'm a mad person. I won't leave you.
Johnson, control yourself. God will punish him.
No, man.
You don't.
No. I want to take the revenge for the shed tears here. I will kill him right here.
Johnson, control yourself.
Johnson, stop, don't move. Even one step if you keep ahead, I will have to use this. Sub-Inspector Ben Johnson super performance. This did not come as headlines in media, but this courage is little over. But in front of all those media with camera, what you showed was not braveness, it was madness. The news is you went to kill the MLA and to support that your father's criminal background. Are you happy now?
I would have been happy if I have killed them there.
Because of this big loss to us only.
Because of this, if the future goes west, totally fine with that, sir. When I'm an innocent there, you are the one who showed me the revolver. By wearing that uniform, I only once have saluted you with heart. That is only for you.
I know those things. That is the reason I'm speaking with you now. Listen here. Because of the aggression, wars will happen in this world. We need to be patient. They are all politicians. That is why, to bring out their original nature, we have to do some dramas by pretending that we didn't say anything or heard anything. If we take any action against them, press will blame us as we took revenge. Not only that, keeping all this in mind, what revenge will they take? We can't even think about it.
To stand here and guard this place, do you think this is a palace? Get out, man! Get him from inside!
Hey, Narayana! Hey, where has that SI ran away? Tell me soon. Come on. Hey, speak up, dude.
He's not here. I know he won't be here. Before he comes to this place, make sure to damage the entire station. Throw everything outside, man.
Oh God, what is happening here? You?
Isn't it a surprise? It's me, Velayudham. Vettikadu Velayudham. You know my history, isn't it? I didn't spare his father. Ask him not to trouble me. If he tries to interfere unnecessarily, I'll ensure he's destroyed.
Sir, no. Don't hit us. Don't do it. Don't damage the place. Don't destroy.
He's not that old that you worship him with flowers this way. You old man, tell him about me. Ask him to resign his job and get out of my way completely.
Sister, please have it.
I don't want.
Your health is not well. Please eat.
I told you I don't want it. I don't want to see anyone. Get out of here. I don't want to see anyone.
Huh?
Why are you sleeping like this? Oh, beauty, come this side. Come and eat this. Seeing me, you are shaking. You're not so old to forget me. You're still young. You went to the court and told the matter. The dearness you have in you. I am still in the jail. And see now, I'm you at your place. Don't be scared. I didn't come here to kill you. I just came to meet you here. I have come to this house even before. It was to see your mother then. She knew that I was here to kill her. But death is not necessary for her. But I want to see her die.
Mummy! Mummy!